will talk about how can you add order to carts on your Wayfair app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here. So then here can you choose any order here you want to add to cart here. I'm going to click here on this. So here in this order, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here. So I'm going to click in this order here. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So then all you have to do, here can you choose quantity here in gear change color here. Then here's the spare panel here. Then you click here on add to cart here. So then here can you select for price or here for so I'm going to click here for this pair panel here. Can you select it? I'm going to select this for example. So then it's going to add video to cart on your Wayfair app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.